So you might be trying to figure out why your Galaxy Buds are just not charging. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the number one reason why this may be happening for you is because your specific device, for the most part, is not charging either from wireless charging or the USB-C port at the back because of a faulty charger. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing for every single person watching this video is to go ahead and just make sure that you're plugging in your specific charging port exactly perfectly fine. Most of the time, like I said, if you're having these types of issues, it's probably going to be because your specific charger port in the back just wasn't plugged in right. So just make sure that's the case. Plug in your charging port in the back of your device perfectly fine, and you might be okay. As long as you can do that, you're perfectly fine. If that doesn't work, you may want to also try wirelessly charging your device on the bottom. You should be able to do it on any device, including your Galaxies. If you own a Galaxy, you can reverse wirelessly charge these devices too. So just go ahead and do that, and that might end up fixing the problem for yourself. Now, if that doesn't end up working, or if the case is charging, but the actual Galaxy Buds are not charging, the other thing you're going to want to try doing is making sure that you've clicked in these specific things in properly. Most of the time, if you actually go ahead and kind of like plug these things in just like so, they may be a little wobbly or may not be clicked into place all the way. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically almost like click in these specific things almost like they're magnets. So they should just kind of slide into place. So what you're going to want to do is just slide these things into place just like so. And you should be able to see that they'll click into place just like that. And that's pretty much how it's done. It's a very, very basic process too. If that's still not working, you may want to try again trying a different charging method, maybe like a wireless charger or a plug-in charger in the back. But those are pretty much the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.